Good morning. I am Bankole Oginni reporting from Wisdom Television. Federal government should stop prosecuting me, Emefiele to court. Why I butchered my ex-lover, Bankole Oginni. Suspended governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria, Godwin Emefiele, has asked a federal high court sitting in Lagos to stop the federal government through the Department of State Services from further prosecuting him. Emefiele was arrested on July 25 by DSS over alleged illegal possession of firearm, was admitted to bail and ordered to be remanded in prison custody, but was later rearrested by the DSS. In an application before Justice Nicholas Owebo, Emefiele, through his lawyers led by Mr. Joseph Daudu San, is now seeking an order from the court discharging him of all charges brought against him by the DSS, arguing that it was in brazen disobedience of the subsisting orders of the court granting him bail on July 25, 2023. He further appealed for an order interdicting the federal government from continuing to enjoy any form of satisfaction from the court except it complies with the bail rule. Relying on Section 6A of the 1999 Constitution as amended, relevant sections of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015, and under the inherent powers of the court, Emefiele also told the court to stay further proceedings in the current charge until he exhausts all the remedies available to him in law to compel the government and the DSS to obey order of the court, admitting him to be remanded in prison custody until he perfects his bail terms. A 45-year-old suspect, Bankole Oginni, arraigned by police detectives in Ondo State for the murder of his ex-lover, has given reasons for his action. Recall that the suspect reportedly committed the crime at his residence in Danjuma area of Akure after inviting the victim over to his house. Bankole, who was arrested after dismembering his lover, was also alleged to have tied the victim's hands and legs and thereafter poured hot water on her. The deceased was traced to suspect's residence, where a butchered body was found by the police detectives. The suspect, who was already in the police custody, narrated what transpired between them, saying, "She called me on Saturday that she needed my help, being my ex-lover, and I asked her to come over to my daddy's house. Anytime she's in need of money, being my ex-lover, I would ask her to come to my daddy's house. And at the moment she got here on that fateful day, I offered her a chilled soft drink I bought from a cosmetics shop. I bought 2 bottles and I offered her 1, but she had not taken the drink when she suddenly slumped. When she slumped, I did not know what to do, so I decided to pour hot water on her with the hope that would wake her. After all attempts to revive her failed, out of panic, I ripped her stomach open to remove her intestines so as to reduce the size of her remains in the sack. I tied her hands and cut her so I could throw her away." The state police spokesperson, Fumi Odunlami, reported that the daughter of the deceased reported the incident to the police. Odunlami also said that the suspect invited her mother, being his ex-lover, only for her to return to the house, and her phone was later switched off. She traced her mother to the house, only to find her lifeless body in the room of the ex-lover, her legs and hands being tied, and her body opened with intestines removed. Also, there were patches of hot water on her body. The suspect will be charged to court after the conclusion of police investigation, Odunlami said. The headlines again. Federal government should stop prosecuting me, Emefiele to court. Why I butchered my ex-lover, Bankole Oginni. I am Bankole Oginni reporting from Wisdom Television.